Pinoy baiting.
Pinoy baiting tutorial number 2.
Pinoys are
Mga bobo ita tu uto. Kaya gathasan natin sila. Bago thayo magsimhula. Ito ang mga kailangan mo para maging certified Pinoy Master Baiter. Number 1. Video editing software. There are quite few softwares that I can recommend. Personally, I use Adobe Premiere, but this is for someone who is quite familiar with editing. For beginners, what I can suggest would be 𝓐𝓷𝓂𝓽𝓱𝓲𝓷𝓰 Studio. Very user/beginner friendly. Drag and drop including effects and transitioning. Number 2. Learn at least 5 Tagalog words. Filipinos or Pinoys like it whenever a foreigner tries so hard to speak in Tagalog. They find it amusing that you took the time to learn their language. But in order to be a certified Pinoy Master Baiter, you really don't need to learn the language itself. Filipinos can understand English as it is considered to be their second language. So these are the 5 words you must learn to be a certified Pinoy Master Baiter. Number 1. Chicken adobo. Chicken adobo is a type of Filipino chicken stew. Chicken pieces are marinated in soy sauce and spices, pan-fried, and stewed until tender. It is a common dish served for lunch. Every household has its different way of cooking adobo. I personally like pork adobo. It also helps Filipinos to sing better at karaoke's. Number 2. 𝓐𝓷𝓂𝓽𝓱𝓲𝓷𝓰. 𝓐𝓷𝓂 came from the Spanish word ¿Cómo estás?, which means how are you today if translated directly in English. It is a basic greeting you could use. Fun fact, Spanish has this big influence to the Filipino language, as Spaniards colonized the Philippines for 333 years. Number 3. 𝓐𝓷𝓂𝓽𝓱𝓲𝓷𝓰. The word 𝓐𝓷𝓷𝓰 literally means delicious. Filipinos are rice eaters like most of their Asian neighbors. Westerns and some Koreans find the cuisine quite strong for their taste buds. The reason is most dishes are paired with rice. Welcome to the rice fields, mother-father. Number 4. Maganda or pogi. Maganda means beautiful and pogi means handsome. Another fun fact, if someone wants to get your attention but they don't know your name, they would refer or call you by either maganda or pogi. Example, hey ganda, or hoy pogi. Just to get your attention. Though it is not disrespectful, so don't get offended. 5. If you consider yourself a true master of Pinoy baiting, then this is the word that you are looking for. Forget the other words I mentioned. If you know this word, you can travel to Philippines without learning the language except for this word. Mahal kita, as the words translates to I love you. Mahal means love, kita means you. If I say mahal kita, it refers to me saying I love you. Say this to your vlog/reaction videos and you will get 100 likes in 1 minute. 100% Pinoy baited. Number 6. Con thought.